wish come true, let darkness slip aside.
We can board the ship over there. Huh?
Oh.
When it rains around here, it pours.
Sazh, do you hate Pulse?
Why wouldn't I? Look at all this mess it's gotten us into. Of course, that's not to say I always hated it. Seemed fishy, with all that Sanctum ranting about that threat from Pulse. Only a matter of time before they strike. Pulse is infested with monsters. Scare after scare, but not even a shred of proof. Tired old cynics like me? We don't just swallow that tabloid crap. I figured the Sanctum was up to something crooked. At least until I got dragged in.
Yeah.
Now that I think about it, all this purge business, it only really happened because Dodge found that Pulse fal'Cie.
You're wrong.
Huh?
Don't blame him. It was all...
Yeah, you're right. It was that scum from Pulse behind it.
I might as well have tried to stop the rain. I fought the tears, but they still fell.
You're getting soaked.
I'll be fine. It's only water.